everyone, I'm Alexia, also known as Gypsy dell'Oceano, and I'm super excited to be starting the Eco Alphabet this year to begin 2019. The first letter, A, is not just for Alexia, but it's for adhesive. Sticky tape, why can't I recycle you? Sticky tape. So first, what is adhesive? Well, it is glue, it's tape, and any kind of tape, masking tape, duct tape, anything. It can be glue dots, it can be the sticky part at the end of an envelope or on cans, etc. Anything sticky is considered adhesive. What can you recycle and what can't you recycle? So the things that you are able to recycle are Post-it notes, envelopes, labels, and cans and bottles. And the reason for those three is because that they are all water soluble, meaning that when it is going through the recycling process or any through water, that stickiness will dissolve. You can also recycle the tape dispenser. You can actually recycle hot glue. So if you peel it off of whatever you're using or just like the actual sticks of hot glue, you can recycle those. What you don't want to recycle is basically everything else. Address shipping labels, scotch tape, painter's tape, masking tape, duct tape because it's waterproof material, so it cannot break down, period. It's tough stuff, which we know, and that's why we love duct tape and use it for everything. You can't recycle like white glue, Elmer's glue, or any other glue. You can't recycle glue dots or the waxy paper that they're on. And you cannot recycle the glue bottles or containers that the glue comes in. There is this one really cool company called TerraCycle Zero Waste Box, and they ship out this big box for you to collect. Basically, this one is for glue bottles or glue stick containers, and you have to collect about 60 items before you can send it back, and they'll basically recycle it and make sure it gets through the entire process correctly without getting any chemicals leaked into the environment. It is suggested to convince a local school to get this box because how long is it going to take you to use up 60 glue sticks or glue bottles unless you're like a really, really crafty person. But as a bonus, if you do this, you will earn points towards a donation to that school or to any nonprofit organization of your choice. So yay, win-win. They get to get money or a donation or anything, and then we get to recycle these glue bottles instead of letting them into the environment. They also have a lot of other zero waste boxes that include coffee capsules, disposable gloves, plastic packaging, and there's a lot more. I'll attach the link below, but then you can check out everything they have and see what works for you. There are alternatives to tape and glue. You can use thumbtacks, but tacks are really good as long as you don't mind that look of the thing coming out. And then there's this thing called blue tack, and it's this putty. This reusable putty that's great for posters or like flat surfaces that go on walls, and it doesn't take off the paint and you can keep reusing it. And then you can also make your own glue. I'm not going to go through that on here. There's a lot of different types of glue you can make, but I'm going to attach a link for that below as well in the descriptions. That way you can see some recipes on how to make your own glue and put it in glass containers or reusable containers. That way you don't have to be wasting that product. Thank you so much for tuning into the first week of the Eco Alphabet. Next week will be B for balloons. I can't wait to see you all there. Lots of love from Alexia or Gypsy dell'Oceano. Mwah.